Hello everyone, I did my book review on The Illustrated Guide to Assistive Technology and Devices, Tools and Gadgets for Living Independently by Suzanne Robitel. So here's a picture of the cover of the book, and here is an image of the author herself. So this book focuses on providing an up-to-date overview of assistive technologies that are available to purchase. A little bit about the author. She has a journalism degree and is a business writer. She also, I think, can relate to this book because she contracted meningitis when she was about the age of 4 and has severe hearing loss, and I think in one of her ears is completely deaf. So I think this is probably one of the reasons why this has interested her. I'm just assuming. So she also founded a website that focuses on assistive technology and news about disabilities. So summary about the book. So she researched and also used her personal experience and personal experiences from other people that she knows. And her book provides assistive technology for people with visual, hearing, physical, cognitive, and learning and communication disabilities. And she also, towards the end of the book, tells people how she thinks they should go about buying this technology. Even though she's not an expert in this field, she still manages to provide her readers with detailed information about all the different types of assistive technology for the disabilities she lists. She has accomplished making this book informative as well as interesting because she provides narratives at the beginning of each, I guess, chapter. Every time she introduces a different disability, she gives a story that usually tells about a person that's struggling with a disability and how assistive technology or devices have helped make his or her life better. Analysis of this book. So not only does she discuss assistive technology for people born with disabilities, but she also goes to say that later on, people of old age might need to use some of this assistive technology. So eventually, everyone might have to use it as their health deteriorates. And she pretty much says she's not selling anything. She's not selling any of the technology or anything like that. But she's definitely on board with the idea. She's encouraging everybody to, or her readers to, if they need this technology or devices, to go and get it, and that their quality of life will improve. There's a chapter about learning disabilities, which I think is very important for educators to be aware of the different learning disabilities there are and how they can help their students. So just a few that she listed was dyslexia and dysphagia, which makes reading and communicating difficult for students. Obviously, they range from mild to severe, but she provides examples of what they can use, like text to speech software. She also recommends scan read programs and text to speech software for individuals who struggle with reading comprehension. I think all of this is great. Educators should be familiar with this, at least. I think they should be familiar with even the other devices and technology for the other disabilities, because you never know who you have in your classroom. She also talks about audiobooks and how they can be fun for students who find reading difficult. I think that all of these technologies can not only be used for students with disabilities, but for students maybe that can't be categorized in that section, but still are maybe struggling a bit. So overall, she believes that the assistive technology and devices enhance individuals' life, which I agree. I think that they should take advantage of this technology, and I think everyone should use all the resources they can to improve themselves. And I think she does a very great job explaining that and giving examples throughout the book. And that's it.